Is my font bigger than yours?
Yes.
Adam, it's so surreal that this day is finally here. Not only have we, especially me, been counting down the days till our wedding since we got engaged in August, but we've been waiting for this day since we were just kids, since we were high schoolers. I can so easily reflect back on many of the hard goodbyes and what felt like never-ending see you laters throughout our years of dating and long distance. I remember dreaming of the day that I would finally get to tell you goodnight and then wake up in the morning right next to you. But here we are today, is the day I finally get to marry you, my best friend, and those dreams get to become our reality as we start our lives together as one.
The wind in your hair, the ocean in your eyes, the touch of your skin when I hold you against mine, the sound of your voice in harmony with mine, this magic we feel can happen all the time.
Hannah, I love you. If the past 8 years are any indication of what forever has in store, then I know that forever will be filled with love and happiness with my best friend. As your best friend and now husband, I have to make you some promises. I promise that I will love you when you get sick on the way to vacation and we have to stop a time or two in a gas station parking lot. And I promise not to leave you hanging when we're out with friends and never be far enough away that you can't put your finger in my ear. That means tonight, too. I promise to love you for the rest of time.
I feel so lucky to have been able to truly grow up with you and now to be able to spend the rest of our lives growing old together. We may have been just teenagers when we met, but even then there wasn't a doubt in my mind that you're my person. You are and always have been my rock. You provide me with the best sense of comfort and calmness. You make me laugh like no one else, and you love me through my never-ending teaching stories, obsessive love for Disney, and my constant need for words of affirmation. You continue to push me to be a more patient, thoughtful, and better version of myself each day, and your smile brings my heart so much peace. We've lived a lot of life together already in the last 8 years, but I know none of that can compare to what's in store for our future. I'm so thankful that God put us together to do this life as a pair. I love you so much, and I can't wait to meet you today.
I'm so excited to watch you grow along my side, watch you turn into the mother of my children, then a grandmother, then watch you spoil our grandkids, and the whole time knowing that I'm the happiest man alive because God gave me my best friend, my soulmate, and my wife, all wrapped up into one beautiful woman, you. I'm so proud to finally get to call you my wife. I love you so much. Let's get married.
Oh, that's so great.
We'll run this race as fast as we can, over and over, your hand in my hand, as we face forever and give love a chance. I'll show you again and again. It's been you, it's always been you. It's been you, it's always been you.
Dear friends, we have come together in God's presence to witness the marriage of Hannah and Adam, to surround them with our prayers and to share in their joy. The scriptures teach us that the bond and covenant of marriage is a gift from God, a holy mystery in which man and woman become one flesh, an image of the union of Christ and his church. I, Adam, take you, Hannah,
I, Adam, take you, Hannah,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until death parts us.
until death parts us.
I give you my vow.
I give you my vow.
I, Hannah, take you, Adam,
I, Hannah, take you, Adam,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish
to love and to cherish,
until death parts us.
until death parts us.
I give you my vow.
I give you my vow.
It is with great joy and happiness that I tell you all that Adam and Hannah are husband and wife in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. You may now kiss your bride. It is my great pleasure to present to you all for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Adam and Hannah Robison.
It's been you. It's always been you. 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 As we grow in age, and time has proven true, the love that's in me is only made for you. We run this race as fast as we can, over and over, your hand in my hand, as we face forever and give love a chance. I'll show you again and again. It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you. It's always been you. We'll run this race as fast as we can, over and over, your hand in my hand, as we face forever and give love a chance. I'll show you again and again. It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you.